you doing? Boys and ladies, say howdy to the folks.
Howdy to the folks.
I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like to be able to meet these musical marvels. Bubba Bunga. Henry Howells.
Ow! Just call me Hank, folks.
Our Southern Belle, Henrietta Hatfield.
Why, it sure is lovely to see y'all.
Antonio Bernicelli.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine, chiari. Don't have to excuse Tony, folks. The truth is, he was born in Nebraska. Since he loved in the mind, in the heart.
He's just plain American.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers.
And
Here comes the Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun of the morning creeps over the hill and kisses the roses from my windowsill, and my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops of Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Got a three-cornered plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble-down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Don't even sound like Italian birds.